Right now, people get to send me DMs and say, how much should I charge for a work? How much do you charge for the work? So today I want to really show you how to really make clients, or maybe give them prices that would be equal to the value you provide. When it comes to pricing, it varies really for everybody. You can't say because A is collecting less, you want to collect less too. No, you can be collecting something higher than A, and C can be collecting something higher than you yourself. I'm going to give you 4 points that would help you structure your own pricing tactic, so that clients will get to pay you for the value that you bring. Okay, number one is that you should research, okay, because there are different fields. Even when it comes to design, there's graphics design, there's brand design, there are different kinds of design. So you don't get to say, okay, because I collect this for graphics design, I'm going to use it for brand. No, that is super wrong. If you are doing it, that is super wrong. I guess some people get to say that, okay, this small piece of logo, this logo is so small, and I'm doing a very big graphics design for this amount. How are I charging for this little logo? No. It depends on what you are doing. Research the market. You can find out from colleagues, how much do you charge? And when I say research the market, you are not getting to use their exact price. No, you just need to know the benchmark. Okay, this is around what I charge, or this is around what they charge in this market. Maybe in your region, this is what they charge. Okay, even across your region, what they charge, you look at the benchmarks, everything, so you get to stipulate your own price within that range. Okay, number 2, consider your value and expertise. Note that this did not come first. The persons get to charge like over I. Okay, over I. They look at it and say, okay, Chris Do is charging this, and I will charge this. I'm in this country, I'm in Nigeria, I'm in Cameroon, I'm in Ghana, or maybe a country that is not his country. The markets differ, except you are working remotely. Okay, most times people tend to work locally. Okay, when I mean locally, I mean your own individual country. And what you want to do in such case is that you first of all research the market, and that was number 1. After the market, then you can start measuring the value you bring to the table. Some people don't just design, they add ideas, they give design ideas, and in such cases you are providing maybe sometimes extra value. I've been in some cases where I get to advise the clients to have an abbreviation for the business name. Okay, and after having that abbreviation, it worked so well. So those are extra values you add. So you charge per the value by putting on the table. That's why I say it differs. Even if A is charging less, that should not make you change your price, because you yourself, you know the value you are offering. So that should also determine the range of your price. Okay, so that will bring us to number 3, analyze your costs, your expenditures. Most persons, they work so hard and they buy very, very good gadgets, and most times they are designing for chicken feeds. Okay, it is not done. It should be commensurate with what you are using, the gadgets you are using, how much it costs you to get your equipment. Some persons, they are using equipment like graphics tablets and the rest. So how much did it cost you to get those equipments? So apart from your gadgets, your upkeep. Most people don't know that this thing we call creative jobs, looking at your screen from morning till night, it is usually very straining to your eyes. And one day, God forbid, something happens to your eyes, you are going to pay way more than any client has paid you singularly. Persons will say have to take kind of vitamins, or some persons they take milk after they design. So things like that. If you've worked for a long hour, you will need to relax and take maybe some fruits or things like that to keep you less strained, and that will ensure that you get going even in other tasks. So you should take note of the expenditures. Take everything you put into your gadgets, health expenditures also, or just think about it, your expenditures. Okay, don't let what you are being paid to be lesser than your expenditures. If not, you will just be the one funding your clients. Okay, you just, at the end of the day, you are the ones funding people's businesses. Okay, so that's it. So number 4 is that your prices cannot stay constant. Okay, you have to continuously look at your price, continuously look at it, because it will with time it will get to increase, and that would be according to demand and feedback from clients. Okay, maybe you are providing a particular service, and your clients are satisfied. You do it the first time, they subscribe. Do it second time, they subscribe. Different clients, they have good comments about your work. They are beginning to love your work. So from there, you begin to increase your price. At least you know that your value is increasing. Okay, so you increase your price with your value. You see feedbacks. Client provide feedbacks like, wow, your work is awesome. I like what you did, things like that. So as you begin to get those positive feedbacks, with time, you get to increase your price. I believe this video has been of help to somebody that has been finding it difficult to arrive at a particular pricing he or she wants for his or her business. Okay, and that is what this video has come to clarify. This video has been of help to you. Don't forget to subscribe. It's highly needed. Like and share. Also comment if you feel that okay, EKD, talk about this. There are other things that has to do with design business and that you might like me to talk about. So you can put it on the comment section and I will take a look at it. Okay, so see you in our next video. Bye for now.